It is Tuesday, June 16th, 2020. It's 8:13 p.m. and we arrived at our rental house in Seabrook. And unfortunately, the AC unit is not really accessible, but there it is. It's a Heil from about 2013. And there's a logo right there. Bunch of spider webs right here. I'm gonna see if I can zoom in on the data sheet and get the specs. Oh well. Might have to do it in the morning. But there's a line set right there. Oh, wait a minute. You'll probably see the datasheet from here. No way to tell what year it was for sure. I think it's from about 2013, but there's no way to be completely sure about that till I see the specs. And the house is pretty small, so I'd say it's no bigger than a 3-ton unit. You can see the filter dryer right there. And the place next door has a Rheem unit. Yeah, this is a Rheem heat pump from 2013. That's a 2.5-ton 13 SEER. R410A is assembled in Mexico. And that's what the salty air did to the condenser guard there. And I assume this is some kind of like thing to hold the unit down, but whatever it is, it's really rusted. And that Rheem has been cycling a good bit, so I expect to get a startup shutdown later. But yeah, there's the Heil. Now let's go take a look at the thermostat. Here is the thermostat that operates the outdoor heat pump system. It is a Honeywell, and I'm pretty sure it's programmable. It was 74 degrees when we first got here, and I turned it down to 72. And it cooled it down within not even 30 minutes. Very reliable system. And the air handler, I assume, is in there. And it just kicked on. There goes the air handler. So there it is running. It's pretty quiet. And this is the best footage I can get of it, unless I find a way to get a closer shot, which I doubt I will. There's a disconnect box back there. Looks like it says Mars. Again, there's a line set. I guess out.